Okay, so my husband and I decided to do this project. Um, this is my sister table, and she wanted to see if I could restore it. And so we decided to go ahead and do it. So now what he's doing, he just scraping and and he has a scrub brush also, which he is brushing it away. I thank him for helping me out. He's doing such a fantastic job. When you're dealing with rust, it's very time consuming because when especially when it's built up, like this table was really built up for years, and so it takes a little time to get that top part of that rust out. So it took us about 2 days to three to do this project. Okay, so the next step is that he decided to use some WD-40 on it to help smooth it out also. And so after that, we said, well, we're gonna go ahead on and use a hand sander, and we're using the 80 grid, and also he gonna smooth it out with the other pad. So now what he's doing, he just sanding it out. And when you're using a sander, you have to be real careful when you're using one. You don't want to go too deep off into the metal because you go too deep, then it'll kind of leave holes in it. So he is kind of taking his time with it. Now he's just kind of going around the ridges, trying to get all up in the part that you really can't see. But he's kind of taking his time doing that. So after that, I decided to use some salt and some vinegar water. I used about a gallon of water with probably a cup of salt, and I just spread it over the whole table. I just watered it down real good. Then I kind of let it sit. Then after the next day, I went on and washed it with just plain old water. Then we let it dry. Now we're gonna go ahead and spray paint it, and I decided to use some silver paint, metallic, for my paint because silver can kind of go with anything in your house. Whatever your decor is, it goes real well. Then after which, I decided to go ahead and put a top coat. Because if she's gonna be putting something on it, you need to have something that it won't scrape the paint. And so now he just kind of just spraying it with the top coat. And I thank y'all for joining me. This was a wonderful process, and y'all try to do it. And I just love the results of it. I mean, I think it's just beautiful. And I decorated it, and now I'm gonna get ready to take it to my sister. Y'all, thank y'all for watching.